So we had about an inch of rain, Hive 1. I added a little impromptu insulation yesterday before the storm. I wanted to actually permanently put some of this rigid stuff up around the outside of the hive. Hoping to work on the remove this robbing screen and put in hive gates. So kind of hoping I could do that tonight. It's funny, just putting this on, they were all reorientating this morning. That was enough to throw them off. When they came out, they were spinning in front, doing their circles reorientation. And real good news on the mites. I think it was like, what I count, about 8. So that's a whole lot better. Although I probably will do one more treatment because there was still quite a bit of brood that was capped over. And they're obviously hatching out quite a bit right now. So whatever hatched out, unless they're walking around in the powder, OAV powder, they may survive.